Adding on to the last video, having it as a web page, which is one of the things that I wanted to do, allows multiple devices to all be able to easily send information to the photon. I could have set this up in a VPS, but there's security concerns there with the API key listed in the JavaScript for the page. It's also perfectly fine to access on my mobile phone, but I'm using this to record. One of the original goals was also to be able to send an image as a byte array using this website on the server. I decided against this because it was overly complex and unreliable. Due to the Particle Cloud API only accepting 63 characters max in a string, it would have required 18 successful post requests and some complex code to break that down and reassemble it, in addition to checking the success and resending a part if it failed, which is also, apart from being unreliable, it's rather slow. That whole process, if you have 1000 milliseconds between parts, would have taken 18 seconds plus the time for any retries just to get a message stored in this display. You can display images easily that are stored on it, and sending a string to it can be used to trigger a variety of functions, which can include drawing images or displaying stored images, which is could be an extension to the project. The other change from the original project pitch was to originally I wasn't going to have this sequence of strings, but it burn-in on OLED or LED displays in general is an ongoing issue, and with that you want the display to be changing and shifting. This sequence helps accomplish that. It also isn't very meaningful in a signage solution to only be displaying one image. This helps demonstrate how images can be rolling and changing. I would have preferred scrolling marquee text, but due to limitations in the Adafruit graphics library in this device, I wasn't able to accomplish it. So instead I've got text wrapping on the screen. For extensibility, extending the project, the limitations are essentially about what can be displayed, which it's almost limitless. My interest is of course in the embedded controller. Using a proper display and a more capable controller, like say an actual Raspberry Pi, video could be submitted to it, images, text, a lot more could be stored. You could stream video to it. I'd also be interested in multiple embedded controllers in multiple displays and configuring the management of these devices.